Play and pause this video, repeating each sentence. I'll give you the English translation at the end. Anam, rugach, as, cevéad, clán, trahar, de fuair, súil, grúig, ábhar scoile, cáfhaimsir. Díagwit, díos maragwit. Hello, hello. Cad is anam dit. Mr. Maloney is anam dum. Cawil to the choni. Tom in choni in the rihid nua I chunta kildara. Ca rugaku. Rugak I malya ahatlia me. Cadastit. As trihid nua dum. Kien ishu. Tom ein vlian deg dish if you're 11. Tom ga vlian deg dish if you're 12. What is your name? Where are you living? I'm living in Newbridge in County Kildare. Where were you born? I was born in. Where are you from? I am from. Cén wrong in a will to, Tommy wrong a she, cevéad I clán, tá trúr a clán. And will drahar a gut, tá drahar a gum, and will de fuair a gut, níl de fuair a gum. Cén da súile atá a gut, tá súile duna a gum, tá súile gorma a gum, tá súile clasa a gum. What class are you in? I'm in 6th class. How many in your family? There's 3 in my family. Have you a brother? Have you a sister? What colour are your eyes? They are brown, blue, green. Cén da grúig atá ort? Tá grúig gun orm, tá grúig fionn orm, tá grúig guv orm, tá grúig rua orm. And matlat telefísh is machlum. Cadé an tábhar scoile is fearlat, is fearlum corp idicus. Cadé an cathbhaimsire is fearlat, is fearlum a bheith ag léamh. What colour hair have you? Brown, blonde, black, red. Do you like? I like. What is your favourite school subject? My favourite is. What is your favourite pastime or hobby? My favourite is. Notice how dit changes to dum in the answer. And the duck creates a H in Coney, the muck creates a H. The I creates the N in Drihid, and the I also creates a G in Kunta. These are known as an Aru and an Aru. Cevéad a clán, counting people. Dina Awan, Bert, Shor, Cahara, Cuigar, Shesher, Shaptor, Uktor, Nenor, Detnor. On tábhar scoile is fearlat, your favourite subject. Gaeilge, mathematic. Béarla is English, Tir Óliacht is geography, Star is history, Óliacht is science, Ceol is music, Alín is art, Corp Idicus is PE, Crediv is religion, or Religion is also religion. Cadé an cathbhaimsire is fearlat, your favourite pastime or hobby. Is fearlum a bheith ag léamh, reading. Is fearlum a bheith ag immert pella, playing football. Is fearlum a bheith ar an rivere, you like to play with the computers. Is fearlum a bheith ag fécint ar YouTube, you like to look at YouTube.